Welcome to our detailed guide on adding a profile picture to your Facebook page. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. 2. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and scroll down to select Pages. 3. Switch to the page you wish to update by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo at the top. 4. Click on your page's profile picture at the top right, and then select the camera icon. 5. Choose Profile Picture to proceed with updating your profile image. 6. Add a photo by selecting the option to either capture a new photo or upload one from your phone's gallery. 7. Once you have selected your desired profile picture, tap Save at the top, right to apply the changes to your page. By following these straightforward steps, you can personalize your Facebook page with a unique profile picture that represents your brand or identity effectively. Enhance the visual appeal of your page and make a memorable impression on visitors with a professional and engaging profile picture. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to add a profile picture to your Facebook page. Make a strong visual statement and connect with your audience by updating your profile picture with an image that resonates with your page's purpose.